better. This is what she needs to do.
Mm-hmm.
Chop all the way to the judge's box. You chop all the way to the judge's box. Breathe through it. Close your lower legs when you exhale so he doesn't think that's a downward transition moment. Shoulders back. And then post if you want to, keeping your hands out in front of the withers. There we go. That was a much better transition from one to the other.
Yes, it was. That looked good.
Huh?
That looked much better.
That looks much better. So look at him, he's stepping off into the trot. Now this is feeling better, isn't it? Yes?